This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado radio, the AM/FM stereo and 8-track player for my friend Greg in Chicago. The unit's been completely disassembled and restored, and now I'm doing the final electrical functional validation test of the unit. It also includes the complete decorative cosmetic restoration of the front face cover. Okay. There's the stereo light.
Once you get those recognition from actual artists.
And this will be going out to my friend Greg as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. I'll go ahead and stick in the Eddie Rabbit 8-track tape. Okay. And that's the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM stereo radio and 8-track player that's been restored for my friend Greg in Chicago. Today is Sunday, May 1st. Thank you very kindly.